So you've got your yarn and your hook, and you already know how to hold each one. But now you don't know where to go next. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Hello everyone and welcome to Amparo Wonderland. So you already know how to hold your crochet hook and your yarn, but just in case you don't know how to do so, you can go ahead and click that card up in the top right corner, which is a video where I show you how to do that. But if you do know how to do it, then you want to move on to the next step, which is, now actually crocheting. So let's go ahead and stop talking and let's get yarning. When you are crocheting, we are going to be either working in rows or in rounds. So for this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to work in rows. But before we actually start doing that, you need to know how to actually start your rows. So let me show you what is called a slip knot. Yes, so a slip knot is made in many different ways, and I'm going to show you 4 methods that you can use to create your slip knot. So to begin, method number 1, this is one of the basic ways to do it, so that way you have more of a handle of your yarn. What you're going to do is that you are going to grab your yarn, and this is the end of your yarn. That end of your yarn, we're going to wrap it around your index finger here from the front. So in front of you, you're going to wrap it around your index finger, and then you're going to hold it here with your middle finger and your thumb. Then that other strand, which is your working yarn, it's connected to your ball here. We're going to grab that piece and we're going to wrap it around your index finger the other way, like so. So you should have 2 loops. That second wrap goes in front of the first wrap that you did, okay? So now we're going to pull up the first wrap that we did, and we're going to pull it over our finger. So go ahead and grab that, wrapping around, and just pull it right out, like that, and then pull. And now you have your slip knot. You can go ahead and place your hook into your slip knot, tighten that slip knot, and then we are ready to begin to crochet. Yes! Alright, so now that you know how to create that first one, I'm going to show you a second method just in case this one was a little too difficult. Alright, so method number 2. Again, we're going to wrap it around our index finger. We are going to keep our short end here, so the end of the yarn, pull it down here. Forget about it for now. Now grab the other end, which is connected to your yarn skein, and then you're going to wrap it around your finger 1 time, and then you're going to wrap it around again a second time. But the second time you wrap it around the back here. Just like that. Hold it down here with your thumb and your middle finger. And this piece right here, we're going to lift it up a little bit because we're going to grab the back loop and pull it through this front loop here. So go ahead and grab that loop like this and pull out of your fingers. You have that knot that's forming, just simply pull it up and you've got yourself a slip knot. And now you can place your hook right in there, tighten the knot, and you've got your slip knot ready to go. Let's go ahead and move on to method number 3 and see if that's a little easier for you if this one was just too much. Okay, so for method number 3, what we're going to do is, again, we're going to wrap it around 2 fingers this time. So the short end, the end of your yarn, we're going to leave it down here at the bottom of your palm. We're holding it with our thumb and our index finger, and we're going to grab the end that is attached to your yarn skein and ball. We're going to wrap it around your index and your middle finger here. Index and middle finger here. So wrap it around once, and then we're going to go around the second time, but the second time we're going to form an X. So go around this way and go down to the bottom and hold it with the rest of your yarn that's already being held there. Now at the top of your fingers here, you have an X. You can separate it a little bit if you want. And this time, instead of using our fingers or our hand, well, we're still using our hand, but we're going to use our hook as guidance. So we're going to go under this first leg here, and we're going to use that hook part of the crochet hook to grab that back leg and pull it back. So pull that back like this and kind of give it a little twist. And now you can release that strand out of your fingers and just pull the knot tight. And it's on your hook already, so all you gotta do is tighten that slip knot a little more, and you're ready to go. Okay, so hopefully that one was a little easier. But if it isn't, I do have one more, which is actually my favorite. So let's go ahead and take care of method number 4. Now for method number 4, we don't need our crochet hook. We are simply just using our hands and fingers for this one. What you're going to do is that you are going to grab your yarn like this. So you hold the shorter end over here with your thumb and your index finger on your right hand, and then the rest of your yarn just goes between your fingers there, or you just want to keep it on the other side, so that way it creates that little upside down U or upside down V, while your left hand is holding on to the yarn as well. I hope that makes sense. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to twist it once, and that little loop that you have here where your finger is, we're going to go through that and grab that working yarn that is down here, pull it through, tighten it, and that's a slip knot. It's just a little bit wider. So you can go ahead and place your hook right into that slip knot, tighten it up, and you're set to go. And there you have it. Now you know how to create a slip knot 4 different ways. So now you can choose your favorite way before you start to crochet in the rows. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, because it really helps me out to figure out what type of videos you all like to watch and learn from. Also, I do have a cheat sheet, a freebie for you all, which shows you different things like abbreviation for stitches, stitches conversions, many more tips and tricks for you. If you are interested, you can find that link in the description box down below. It is called the Ultimate Crochet Cheat Sheet. Go ahead and check it out. And once you do that, you can also check out this next video right here. If you love this video, then you're definitely gonna love that one. So I'll see you there, and if not, then I will see you in the next one. Bye!